Hi, my name is Artem. I'm UX designer and I create Figma MCP Pro. Right now, I learning how AI can help us design without using traditional graphic tools, just going straight from ideas to code. But today, Figma is still a big part of our work. So let's see how we can turn Figma designs into real code. Today, I walk through how Figma MCP Pro works step by step. Let's start with Figma MCP Pro. This is tool designed for generate interfaces directly from Figma. It's simple solution for turning designs from Figma into clean code automatically. Let's see, this is website. I'm just recording this video for paste it here because this is temporary video. It's fun. Okay, how it works. First of all, I just want to talk with you about workflow, what included in Figma MCP Pro logic. This is 5 steps what we do in this MCP. Step number 1, we select a framework. The user can choose from up to 10 different frameworks depending on their project requirements, but I won't go through all of this now, but during the demo you see full list of it. Step number 2, this one. This is data extraction, and at this stage MCP Pro pulls all data from Figma file, like layouts, properties, semantic structure, and everything what needed to create code. Step number 3, this is interesting. I add this additional step for analyzing comments from designer, and this step, any comments added in Figma are converted into prompts. These prompts help guide how the code will be generated based on designers and teams' notes. And step number 4, this is in this step we downloaded assets. Very important note here, we download assets only marked for export in Figma, like SVG or PNG X1, X2. This is important because without this marked, you can MCP can see these images and can extract it. And step number 5, during download assets process on previous step, we generate one additional file. It's called reference PNG. Its file just literally creates screenshot of what you select in Figma and transfer it into your project in IDE. And after that, after you download these assets, in step number 5, we analyze this PNG file, and this is additional metadata to our already extracted data, extracted comments, and download assets. It's help AI more clear understand what you want to generate. And yeah, after that we see the results. Okay, let's go to Figma. This is file or project, I don't know, I just downloaded from community, Figma community. This is not my design. Just for example, you can see this is just some, I don't know, blog in some e-commerce. Yeah, a lot of screens here, like product detail page, etc., like home page, but I want to show you this one, blog. First thing what I want to show you, this is icons. Yeah, this is pasted multiple times here and here 3 times. Yeah, and I add very interesting logic to MCP. We analyze file and understand this is like icon. Okay, it's placed 3 times or more times in somewhere in your design. And we download in download step, we download just only once this icon, but like SVG. Let me show you. This is already marked here as SVG. And in the same time, we have not well structured design file from designer. Do you see this is rectangle with the same name multiple times, just copy with a different fill, like different images, yeah? If we follow what I say before, our logic where we just download once this icon, it should be download just only one rectangle with the same name, because this is multiple times based in our design. But I create much more smarter logic, and I can identify where is the place and duplicate, where is we have like different fields or different images, and we recognize it like 5 different images with and just automatically add different names in assets. You will see it in next steps. Okay, let's just copy link to this selection. That's it. Go to, let's open IDE. I use Try. This is cheapest way how you can touch this technology, how you can generate code. Yeah, for much more complex tasks, I use Cursor, but for just trivial task, I use Try. I already configure Figma MCP Pro agent. Don't worry, it's not like necessary step. This is like agent. I just literally say what actually agent should to do with this link from Figma. You can avoid this step, not create agent. You can just paste link and just add couple of words like use MCP for analyze this link, something like that. But I already create this prompt, and I don't need to explain every time what agent should do with Figma links. And as you can see, I already add Figma here, Figma MCP, my Figma MCP, and this is all our 5 steps already added as a tools. And this tools has like calls one by one from first to 5 step to last step. Yeah, I just add this MCP to this agent and unselect all other MCPs. You can do that in Cursor, in Windsurf, in Try, as you want. This doesn't matter. Just only one thing in Cursor. Right now we have a small problem. We on download asset step. It's for some reason, I don't know, I'm waiting fix from Cursor. I hope it's problem in Cursor. We download assets not in working directory. We download it for some fallback folders, like in user file, not user file, user folder. And this is small problem with Cursor, but with Windsurf and Try it works perfectly. Let's open, I already created this MCP test folder on my desktop, and let's open it like a folder here and just paste our link from Figma and see what happened next. By the way, I select Claude 4 Sonnet. This is flagman of models. I guess this is best what we have right now in this moment. Oh, okay. As you can see, our MCP start work with our file. First step, MCP asks us select some framework what you want. Okay, we just select a number 5. This is just HTML and CSS. And see what happened. Perfect. Perfect HTML and CSS we identify it. Start fetch data. This is custom data. This is not like clear data from Figma. I add optimized prompts directly here. Okay, next step, process comments. And you can see we now have comments in this Figma file, and this is response from MCP response. Download image. We find every image what we marked for export here. And you can see this is already downloaded clearly here. And as we say, as I say before, do you see this is rectangles smart way named with additional sequence number, but our calendar SVG icon in one copy file, not just 3 times. This is awesome, I guess. This is more accurate and smart. And as you can see, after downloading assets, fetch comments, get Figma data, we start analyzing reference PNG. Let me show where is it. Yeah, here you see this reference PNG file. This is placed directly in your assets, and it helps to understand for AI what actually we should to create. Yeah, as you can see, it starts to create index HTML file and CSS, and I add in this step, second step, get Figma data, my custom prompts based on your selected framework before here. This is custom prompts help understand what actually what actually AI should do with this all information based on selected framework. And as you can see, I create clear structure for HTML file and well-structured CSS file with variables, with design tokens. It's much more better just than traditional SVG CSS file what you can create without any explanation. Yeah, you can explain what you want in just regular Figma MCP, what all people use right now. You can explain this all rules like CSS variables, design tokens, how AI should create this HTML, etc. But this is not needed when you use my MCP server. This is already a well-structured and great combined file. Okay, we have this final prompt where AI explain what we create, and let's go and open. I can go live, but let's open just folder and open this index HTML file. And here we go. Yeah, you can see pixel perfect, responsive, cool, structured, very accurate HTML file with the same design what we have in Figma. absolutely same. All texts, all places, on everything. Everything is perfect. I don't want add any prompts, any corrections, because this is works like a magic. You can, yeah, exactly. This is not search something, because this is like not live page, but this is already done in just static HTML and CSS, and this is amazing. You can see everything is on a place. Logotype, everything. I just very happy with this result because I don't need any additional prompts. It's look like a magic. And that's how Figma MCP Pro helps you turn Figma layouts into functional code. Fast, clean, and efficient. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.